Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to fix Instagram privacy check error. So first of all, open your Play Store and search here Instagram. So the first method to fix the problem, you have to update your Instagram application from here. And the second method, open your phone settings, scroll down and tap on app management, tap on Instagram, tap on storage usage and tap on clear cache. After clearing your Instagram cache, your problem will fix, and if you're still getting the problem, then follow this last method. Open your phone settings again and open app management, open Instagram, and from here you have to tap on uninstall. So uninstall your Instagram application from here and then open Play Store and you have to reinstall Instagram app. So that's how you can fix Instagram privacy check error. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe.